How to lock a folder in Windows 11 without software. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Files and Folders or Windows Explorer. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the file you want to lock or create a new folder and file, and then right click on it and go to Properties. In Properties, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Advanced. And in Compress or Encrypt Attributes, you will find Encrypt Contents to secure data. Simply make sure there's tick mark on it. This settings is not available on my version. Simply make sure there's tick mark in Encrypt Contents to secure data. Then you're good to go. That's how to lock a folder in Windows 11 without software. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.